So you know why we're here. We're here to do an unboxing for the new Coach Cassie 19. I'm super excited. I've been wanting this for a minute, and let's go ahead and get it checked out. So going ahead, I removed everything, all of the hardware, and this is how the bag looks. It's super adorable. It's this beautiful pebble leather. You can definitely see it's super cute. So let's get into the nitty-gritty, right? So I spent $177 on this. It's currently on sale. It originally goes for $295, and I spent $177 on this. I definitely think that it was worth it. What you can see is it has this really pretty Go turn lock hardware right here that I really like. Of course, it has the Coach tag on the side, and I just think they really did a lot of detail when it comes to the purse. So if you look right here, you can see that it has Coach inscribed on the side of the metal lock. It also has it right here on the side of the buckle, and just pretty much all over the purse. There's a back panel where you can go ahead and add whatever you desire. And then you can also see that on the side, we also have Coach written there on the two buttons. So when you open it, it of course has the Coach interior right here. I'll show you, there's nothing in it currently, but these are the different type of pockets. So this is a good size pocket for a wallet for your phone. And of course, this is just the zipper interior pocket right here. And then regular zipper that comes with the Coach booklet. And yeah, right back here is actually a pocket too. I guess you can use that as a pocket. I didn't really think about that until now. And of course it is expandable on the side. So I definitely think that this is worth the amount of money that I paid for it. I definitely think it's worth that $177. I'm kind of glad I got this because I normally carry tote bags. So this is just a really cute, you know, cute handbag to have and just carry with you. But why a lot of people like this is because of the different little things that you can add to it. What do you call these straps? Yeah. So this, first of all, this is very heavy. This is very heavy right here. This is really cute. You just snap it on like so. And I think you can wear this both ways, right? So I think I could do this little number, right? And then have this dangling in the back or dangling in the front, right? So just carry it like this, or go ahead when this flops back like that, and then you can just carry it this way, right? So it's supposed to flop back, but I just did the thing wrong. But just like this. Super, super cute. So definitely you can wear both of these at the same time. I don't think that I will. So I'm gonna go ahead, let me unstrap this, and let's see. Hold on. Then you have the longer strap, which I don't really know yet if I'm going to use this. I'm not really too much of a long strap wearer, if that makes sense. Messenger bag wearer, not too much of that. So it goes long like this. It kind of reaches like a little bit to my thigh. I know you guys can't see that, but yeah, this is how long, I guess. Then of course, it's adjustable. Of course, it also says Coach on the side. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, overall, and of course it comes in the Coach dust bag. Comes with a lot of different booklets. I don't really know where those booklets are. Wait, hold on, I'll show you the booklets. This tiny little Coach one, this white one, just so much paper. Little letter from Coach. And then of course, where my receipts and everything is, and return labels. So let's just get down to it. Do I think this was worth it? Yes, I definitely think that it was worth the price. Do I also think that Coach is making a comeback? I think that they are. Because originally they had the pillow tabby, and I really like that, but honestly a lot of people had that, so I was like, hey, you know, I don't want to get it because so many people have it, and I'm normally not that girl. Normally I don't care what people are wearing, but I was like, oh, this has been all over my TikTok. So I was like, hey, let's get something cute. I went to a wedding recently and I didn't have a small tote to wear, so I was like, this would be a good purse. You know, this right here. I also got another one, and I'll do another video on that later, but I got a camera bag by them. I also think that that was worth it too. But this was just, okay, so I'm trying to figure out why I can't turn it back. that just me? What? This little struggle, a little snafu. I'm trying to, okay, I just got to really press down, I guess, to get that to lock back. But like I said, do I think it's worth it? Yes. Would I buy it again? Definitely. I think it might come in different colors. But so far, I mean, this is the color chalk for those of you that didn't know. So this is the color chalk. Coach Cassie CB19 chalk, originally $2.95, bought for $1.77. Shipping, honestly, it shipped out I think about the next day, so I got it in like maybe 4 days. It was really quick. That was really it. That's just the nitty gritty. I don't know what else to tell you guys other than go buy it, because I definitely think it's worth it.